Good morning. So, Sarabuna, Manohana, bonjour, and greetings to everybody. Today we're looking at this particularly stunning and extremely rare piece of art made by a very good friend of mine. So Ken Cleland made this back in the 1980s to go alongside a Olympic-sized swimming pool made from Blue Lace Agate. Anybody who knows stones will probably know that Blue Lace Agate is extremely expensive, and you don't find enough thick pieces to make this sort of material very often. That was $1 million pool. This is not $1 million table, unless somebody wants to pay that for it to us. They're absolutely 100% welcome. But this is a masterpiece. Not only is it exquisite and rare, and I doubt there's more than one of these in the world, but it's also using honeycomb aluminium. So Ken was a master of his craft. This is honeycomb aluminium, which is what they use for the airplane wings. It's lightweight and extremely hardy. You cannot break this stuff. It's really, 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 really strong. So this is set as a top. It could be a top in a kitchen. It could be a top for the table, a sideboard. There's unlimited uses you could actually use this for. But the craftsmanship is exquisite. I mean, this is all small little tiles made from this beautiful, rare, and expensive material. I think I've actually got photos somewhere of Ken with this particular tabletop. And unfortunately, he passed away not too long ago, probably about three years ago. And we're still very good friends with Evie, his wife, and she's asked us to sell this, and here it is. This is a one-off art piece made by the well-known and famous Ken Cleland, who made these tabletops.